Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's draw some cards and see what we need to hear today. 14. Forgive lightly or lighten your emotional load. Are you clinging to resentments, anger, or sorrow? Lighten your emotional load. Write a note to forgive yourself or another and release it. Who will you forgive today? You contain multitudes. Whitman had it right when he wrote, "Do I contradict myself? Very well, then, I contradict myself. I am large. I contain multitudes." We are a mess of contradictions and ironies and hypocrisies. To pretend that anyone is just one thing is to deny the fullness of our humanity, that we are sometimes the victim and sometimes the villain, that we can do the unforgivable and still be worthy of love, of compassion, of forgiveness. I like this place and could willingly waste my time in it. William Shakespeare. You are not your schedule. Give thanks for the being that lives in you. Beneath the trappings of your life, you are alive, and this is a gift. I will love myself. I hear the drama, I see the drama. I fire my jetpack and blast away from the drama. Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. What you see in a person is what will come out of the person, so see them as perfect and loving. You can never give away what you don't have. Doing your best looks differently every day. Rid yourself of resentments that you justify. When you make a conscious choice to be happy, no one can take it away from you because no one gave it to you. You gave it to yourself. And the last one today. Have a mind that is open to everything and attached nowhere. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.